Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm with Nikhil. So today I'm going to show you how to download Roboanalyzer software. So let's begin. First of all, open the browser. You can use any browser you want. I have opened here Google Chrome. Then type here Roboanalyzer. So the first link which you get, that is www.roboanalyzer.com. That is their website. And from here you can download their Roboanalyzer software. Now here you have different links. Here also you have video lectures. These are very good lectures. You can learn this Roboanalyzer software, different parameters and everything through these lectures. These are very crisp lectures given. You can refer this. Then you have the download option, and here you can see the basic system requirements are given. This is the basic system requirements. In any laptop or desktop, you require at least 1.5 gigahertz of processor, RAM of 512. Now this is the basic thing every laptop or desktop has. Now the thing is that it only works on Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, 8. It only works on Windows. It is not working on Linux system yet. So it only gets downloaded in Windows version. Now this is the latest version that has been uploaded on June 23rd, 2019. You can click here and download it. So the first version was way back around 2010, 2012. This is the latest version. I'll click on this and the downloading has started. We'll wait till it gets downloaded. Also you can see you have this Mechanalyzer software also, which is used for mechanical systems. You can check that also. But for robotics, the Roboanalyzer is mostly used. 24 seconds are left. And it has downloaded. I'll click on this now. You can just open it. I'll copy this on my desktop for now. I'll extract this. Right click on this, extract all. You can get the location or you can just extract it here itself. It is getting extracted on the desktop. I'll extract. And we are done. So this is this folder. Double click on this and this is the icon to open the Roboanalyzer software. I'll double click this. The app needs the following Windows feature. Now the .NET framework. If it is already there, you can skip the installation or you can download and install this feature also. Even if you skip it, doesn't matter much, because this is a very basic software but a very useful software. I can say it is really useful to study the DH parameters, the working of the robot. It will give you calculations in a very simple way. You can understand it. Downloading is almost getting done. It's installing itself. Now it is just installing the .NET feature. If it's already there in your system, then it will not ask. But if it is asking, then generally install that thing. Okay, so now this .NET framework has been installed properly. You might need to restart apps that require this feature. It's fine. I'll close this right now. I'll click on the Roboanalyzer software again. Now as you can see, we have reached the home page. Now let's enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel.